Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make stir-fry cabbage. This is a quick side dish that you can use to eat your jollof rice, moi moi, anything you like. Stay tuned. To make this stir-fry cabbage, I'll start by slicing my cabbage. After slicing my cabbage, I will slice the carrots. You can use grater to grate the carrots. I will also slice my green bell pepper. You can use green or red bell pepper for this recipe. I'll be slicing my onion. Into a preheated pan, I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'll start by adding the sliced carrots, then I will stir fry. After about a minute of adding the carrots, I'll also add the cabbage. I'll continue stir frying. I'll be adding my sliced mixed bell peppers, then I'll continue stir frying. I'll also add black pepper and salt and continue stir frying. I'll only stir fry for about 3 minutes, then the cabbage stir fry will be ready. Finally, the cabbage stir fry is ready. You can serve it with your jollof rice, moi moi, or anything you like. Thank you all for watching.